Down at ice level are the teams, and Ray Ferraro is there as well. We'll get his take on things shortly. Tonight's matchup will feature some thrilling talent. And here is the third voice of our crew, the man in the coldest place, ice side, Ray Ferraro.
You know, all 40 players in this game are nervous. They want to get themselves out on the ice and make a mark as quick as you can. If you can set the tone with a physical check or an exciting forecheck shift, I think you try to do that. You would like your team to get out early, create some momentum, and burn off some of that nervous energy.
Along with Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, I'm Mike Emmerich, and this playoff game is underway. Muscled long to Hornquist. One of the rare breaks in hockey is a call for icing. Play is stopped, so let's hear from our man at the ice, Ray Ferraro.
Well, great early pace. You can certainly tell that the games have picked up a notch in intensity since the end of the regular season to this first night of the playoffs.
Okay, Ray, thank you. Off his pad. And yet another save. How does he do that?
These saves are all about positioning.
Shooting. Got it all. He covers and holds on.
You're looking at Keith Yandel, one of the better skating defensemen in the entire National Hockey League. You want somebody to run your power play? This guy can do it.
They lock up from the draw, and the teammate puts the grab on it. Gains the zone. Nicely received at the point. And a save. Couldn't get through and retain possession. A shot. Just missed the net.
He was hoping for a little bit more with that chance, but his shot is just off the target.
An enormous hit.
Huberdeau's on a mission out there, clearly trying to set the tone physically for his team early in this first period.
Save! And he puts the glove on it and stops play.
Goalies have to make a half a dozen great stops in a win. This is one on a beautiful move, but there is nowhere for the puck to go.
Puck dropped, and the winger stepped in to help. That's big. It's an onside play. Two players came to the boards. Boom.
That's a great hit. He thought he had more room to get down the wall, and he got closed off in a hurry.
He's got it. To Savard. Shoots one. Save. Walks the blue line. May not have been intentional, but he got it anyway. The Toronto's looking to leave. Cut that pass in his own end. Great save. Pitching it to Goodrow. Directing that one to Maroon. Lets it go. Score!
A playoff series can be a long struggle, but getting the first goal gives you a leg up in game one. You want to get out in front.
That is the first goal scored after a lot of work.
Great start. They were ready to play, and it shows on the shot clock as well.
The Panthers got that face-off win. Now what? Looking to Montour.
Barkley Goodrow, and by number 9, Tyler Johnson. Time of the goal, 9 minutes.
Got it at the point. Pass. In that defensive zone, an important play. Terrific faking. Got his pad on that one. It's dumped in. Smart recovery by Shen. Pass attempt to Coleman. Nice job done with the stick. A poke check frees things up a bit. And he dumps it in. Puck is thrown to Maroon. Has that one measured at center. It's dumped in. Tampa Bay's lugging it along in the defensive zone. Carries it on in from center. Save! And now it's directed to Hornquist. Huberdeau's tripped up. That should be a penalty. McDonough's headed to the penalty box. A minor for tripping.
I'm going to give credit to the puck carrier here. He kept his legs moving. He forced the back checker to reach in and take him off his feet.
The Panthers go on the power play for the very first time. Let's see if they can capitalize.
Always important to win the special teams battle, or at the very least, come out even.
Lets it go. At least he protected his goaltender. Takes it in from the neutral zone. Tries to get it on net. A good stick stop. Oh, snaps the shot. Saved there. Goaltender pass. Brought ahead. That's great defense. Oh, and a missed pass, and the puck goes out. On to Maroon. Slid to Coleman. Pitching this one to Hornquist. That one's right on his stick from the right side. Feeds the point. Shoots. A wonderful shot answered quickly.
That was a tougher stop than it looked.
The Panthers needed something from their power play and didn't get it. Breaks away. A free puck now. Passing one off now to McDonough. Great job in his own end with that interception.
Now, a little bit of a sloppy turnover, Doc, but that looks like a guy just trying to make too much happen. He wants to get his team back in the game.
Florida's along the wing at center ice. Laid up that right side to Savard. First period has been played. An interesting start to all of this. Continuation in just a moment. Tampa Bay's connected once, and that's the only goal.
As a safety issue and courtesy to you, our fellow fans.
Maroon's goal was pretty good, but is it the difference maker? It is for right now. We head to break. Period 2 is underway. Laid on to Huberdeau. Points it. Beside the line. Got a piece of that one. And at an angle to Ekblad. Save. Collected at the boards. To Ekblad. Looks to make a play. Sends it back the other way to Hornquist. Terrific shot, but a save.
This is frustrating. The goaltender makes a save by getting just a chunk of the shot.
Good job on the draw. Chip to Stamkos. Good, solid defensive play with the stick. Florida's winging it at neutral ice. Passes to the slot. Pad save. Ooh, tough one there. Outstanding body contact.
Huberdeau's not very happy after taking that huge hit. He wasn't aware who was around, and he paid the price.
to the half wall. And a save. Picked up by the defense. Crosses that line. A collision.
I wonder if that hit will change the momentum of this game.
Skilled play by Hedman. Trying to go to Killorn. Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. Moving it to Duclair. Tampa Bay's along the wing at center ice. He wiped out the icing with all that speed. Oh, boy, what a hit.
He got steamrolled there in the open ice. Thought he had more room to slide by, but the road got closed in a hurry.
Wrist shot. He missed the net by a mile.
You find yourself in the slot with the puck on your stick, you better at least make the goalie make the save. Unfortunately, he shot that one well.
Oh, that's a good keep. That's a great keep at the line. Passed across point to point. What a save by Bobrovsky. Collected now. Driving in from no man's land. Stole that pass at a critical end of the ice. Snapping a pass to Palat. Shoots one. Score!
The key to this goal is the quickness of his release. It gives him the advantage on this play, and the puck gets past the goaltender in a hurry.
That shot is delivered quickly before he can shut down the 5-hole. The puck scoots through before he has a chance to close it up.
Tampa Bay's goal gives them a lead by 2. Raises a question, too, here in the second period. Do they start to play it a little conservative, or do they go at him and try and make this 3 right away?
Assisted by number 9.
That pass along the boards. Cranks a blast. Wonderful stop. A shot. A textbook stick save. That puck's loose. Deflected away by Johnson. Florida's continuing to probe up the wing. Intercepted that one at an important place. Propelled to Maroon. From the slot of wrister. That puck hit him on the way to the net. Great save. He hangs on and gets the whistle.
Bobrovsky's save here is one of the easier ones he's had tonight. A stick save that he can make all day.
Good clean win. A point blast. Wonderful save.
Well, there's a little bit of a luck involved there. The goalie was screened on the play. He couldn't see it, but he stopped it.
And he dumps it in. Tampa Bay's controlling play now in the defensive zone. Keeps it in the zone with that interception. Save there. Gets a little drop off from the goalie here. On to Coleman. A shot. Save. Holds on and gets that whistle.
You can't deliver the puck much better than that, but the goalie says no chance. That's an excellent save.
Puck drop, face off one, and the winger stepped right in.
In the second period.
Dogged determination there by McDonough. Steps across that line. Great stick save. Took that away in his own zone. Terrific open ice hit. The defense can rest.
Just when he thought he had some open ice, he ran into a stop sign. That's got to hurt.
2 periods are in the books here, and so 1 more to go, and maybe overtime, but it's been an entertaining first 2. Let's check out the shot board here at the end of 2 periods. 19 for Tampa Bay and 13 for the Panthers.
Fans, the portion of tonight's proceeds will fund the children's playroom and city hospital.
Palat's goal took it from a 1-goal game to a 2-goal advantage. Intermission is next.
Please visit our team website.
We are entering the 3rd period. Based on the first 2, what are you expecting to happen?
Florida's got a real tough task ahead of them as we get ready for the 3rd period. They know they're facing a hot goaltender. They know they've created a lot of chances. They need a bounce. They need to get a greasy goal. In order to do that, you've got to put yourself right in front of the goaltender.
He throws it there. He scores! That's 3 unanswered goals.
Hedman's wrist shot was heavy and quick.
He didn't leave very much room. He's in the butterfly. He's got most of the net shelled off, but he doesn't cover it all, and it ends up behind him.
Tampa Bay's goal has staked them to an even larger lead on a night that they have had the offense going. 3rd period of play. The Panthers win the draw. What's next?
Victor Hedman, assisted by
Has it back deep.
Steven Stanley, and by number 86.
Bobrovsky's out behind to stop it right there.
50 seconds.
Pitching it to Huberdeau. Florida's setting up an offense from the wing. Looks from the corner. Slid to McDonough. Leads that charge into the zone. That puck was obstructed by a screen. Ekblad's headed to neutral ice. Shoots, just missed the net with that one.
That was a dangerous chance, but unfortunately, we don't use soccer nets in hockey.
Turned a shot on net. Turned away with the stick. He's got that point pass. He wore that puck on a hard shot. Directing that one to Gord. Can start the attack going in the zone. Flings it and off target with that one. The Panthers in their own end controlling play now. And he steps across the line. Around to the corner. Slides it to the point. Big drive. Broke it right up. Need to get rid of it. Canes that offensive line. Strong wrister. Blockered away. Things are heating up with that hit.
I really like the effort that he's trying there to generate a turnover by finishing his check.
Using the point. He's got it. Looking from the blue line. Terrific determination by Shen. Linesman signals an offside.
When the hit is delivered as cleanly as that, that is a textbook illustration of what sometimes goes missing from the game.
Over 8 minutes remaining in the period. The scoring of the goal has made this now a 3-goal lead. Will this become dangerous, though? Intercepts that pass on the attack. Save!
Tampa Bay's really taken the air out of the game defensively, Doc. Their goaltender hasn't had much to do, but he stopped the shots that he's had to.
Can he clear?
Tampa Bay's played so well defensively tonight. Their goaltender has been excellent, and while some people think it's bad luck to mention a shutout, well, they're trying to protect him, and I'm not going to affect it sitting in the middle of a video game. Goalies have to make a half a dozen great stops in a win. This is one on a beautiful move, but there is nowhere for the puck to go.
The face-off, the tie-up, and a solid job from the winger there. Bad luck, broken stick. Shoots it on. Score! His first playoff goal. What a great memory for him.
The goal scorer put that puck in a shooting position, let it go, and beat the goaltender clean.
He barely got a piece of that. Close to being in the right position, but he can't shut down the shot.
Goalie to the bench, substitution made.
Well, not much surprise here. The coach has clearly seen enough, and because he can't bench the whole team, what he's going to do is get his goaltender out of there and let him have a bit of a break.
Tampa Bay's goal has built an even bigger lead. We're in the third period. For the opposition, at least that is fortunate. And the face-off's won.
By number 19.
In with it now.
Good row.
One-timer. Save.
Patrick Maroon. And by number 27, Ryan McDonough. Time of the goal, 14 minutes, 15 seconds.
Over 5 minutes remaining in the third. One step short of a fistful. It's a 4-goal lead. It's dropped. They lock up, and that's a good job by the winger. And a save. Whistle is blown. Penalty call. Guilty party departs. Maroon sent to the box. 2 minutes for boarding.
This was a dangerous hit here, Doc. No chance for the player to protect himself.
The Panthers' power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet.
There's not much new to a power play. It works the same way all the time. You get a good zone entry, you get the puck to the point, you shoot it, you move the penalty killers around. Let's see if they can do it this time.
Florida's up the wing, settling things. And possession has changed. Brilliant move on that pass. He's alone. And he's hammered.
Galliev's not quit at all tonight. He flattens his man, trying to send a little bit of a message, I would say, to his own team, because they've had a pretty brutal night.
Shoots. Terrific glove save. He scores. Winning strategy on the power play.
The team starts to play for the goalie when you have a shutout this deep into the game, but eventually they make a mistake and the puck's in the net.
Florida's gotten one here. That's something, but they still have a big hill to climb if they're going to make this respectable. We're in the third period. Neutralized face-off win. Looking to declare. Long lead pass to Venberg. The pad came in handy that time. Laid on to Killorn. Snaps off a wrist shot. Wonderful stop.
The shooter didn't get too much on that. Not a very dangerous opportunity for the goalie to stop, but he went in the butterfly just to be sure.
Grabbed, the two centermen tied up, but there was a good reach there. Hangs on to that one, and he'll see a face-off right near it. They won that draw. Great glove save, and he keeps it. Puck covered, whistle blown.
One word of advice, when you're pushing and shoving like that, you better be ready to drop the gloves.
We near the final minute of play in the third period.
Third period.
Turning point was the anthem in this one. Lets it fly. Oh, that was close.
Well, that's a good scoring chance. He's trying to be too fine, trying to pick the corner. Sometimes you've just got to shoot it at the middle of the net.
Deflected off the blocker. And he lets it go. They're getting all organized now. Knocked off the puck. Pass attempt to Hornquist. Decides he wants the corner. Great job on a cut pass. Fires a shot. Great save. And decides to just cover it up and get the whistle.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
From the faceoff, and they lock up, and a good reach. That's help from the wing. That one is pointed to him. Lots on that to declare. Game one has ended, and so there is an edge. But can that edge be equaled next game? It'll be fun to see.
No better way to start the playoffs, Doc, than to put your best foot forward and come away with a win.
The tournament moves along with even more promising matchups in the future. Don't miss those. For Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, Mike Emmerich saying so long for now.